Here's how you can quickly and easily calculate age in Excel using a bit of a hidden function. Here I've got dates of birth listed, and I'm going to calculate the age in this column. And I'm going to do so using the DATEDIF function, which has just one F here. And as I type it in, it doesn't look like Excel's even recognizing it. But once I open up parentheses, you'll see that it does indicate that it is a function, but it doesn't tell me the arguments in here. So you're going to have to remember what they are. So the first one is going to be your starting date. So in this case, your date of birth. And then comma, the next argument is going to be today's date. I'm going to use the today function, open and close parentheses for that. And then the last argument, I'm going to indicate how I want this to be calculated. So I'm going to type in Y for years. I'm going to close this out. And so you can see it's calculated the age for this date of birth. I can copy this down to these other cells and it does that calculation for me. I could also put this in terms of months or even days. I change the Y to an M and now I've got months. If I want to put it in terms of days, I'll change this to a D. So a really powerful function that's probably not all that well known. So DATEDIF, the key thing to remember is your first argument is your starting date. Use the today function to use today's date, and then specify a D if you want the age calculated in days, an M for months, and a Y for years.